Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop Hop the Owl. This is Hop Hop the Owl's house. Here's Hop Hop. He's running towards us. Hi, Hop Hop. What's on your lawn? It looks like a...
Potty!
Yes, a very comfy, useful, and pretty potty.
Yes!
Ah, balloons! It's Peck Peck the Woodpecker's birthday. Hop Hop's giving Peck Peck a potty for his birthday. He needs to pack the gift in a beautiful box. Hop Hop has 2 boxes. Let's place the potty in the bigger box. Or will it fit in the smaller one?
Bigger!
Bigger. Great idea. Good job. Hop Hop, what will you say to your friend when you give him his present?
Happy birthday!
That's right. You can go to Peck Peck. He's probably waiting for you.
Peck Peck!
Hi, Peck Peck the Woodpecker.
Happy birthday!
Peck Peck came down fast. Here's your gift. Peck Peck doesn't know what it is. No, it's a potty. Don't wear it on your head. You sit on it. Like that. You don't want it? Peck Peck put a balloon in the potty. What will he do when he needs to use the bathroom? Birthday cake!
Candle!
Hop Hop, you found a candle. Will you put it on the cake? Oh! Where's Peck Peck the Woodpecker? There he is, behind the tree. It looks like Peck Peck needs to use the bathroom.
Potty!
Take a seat, Peck Peck. It worked! Good job! Hop Hop is very happy for you. We can continue the birthday party. Hooray! Peck Peck, you're very good.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the Owl.
Do you hear that sound? That's the train coming out of the tunnel.
Choo-choo!
Hop Hop the Owl is driving it. His toys are in the train's wagon. Peck Peck the Woodpecker is waiting for his friend at the station. Hooray! The train's coming!
Hello!
Hello there, Hop Hop. Our woodpecker's been waiting for you. He really wants to go to the lake with his new toys. Everything into the bucket. The birds are heading there on the motorcycle. Put on your helmets.
Let's go!
There's the pier. Take your toys over there. That's a crab. Crabs are very good at moving from side to side.
Crab!
Oh, the crab's gone for a swim. Peck Peck's gone for a swim too. That's a lot of splashing.
Stop! It's deep over there.
It's not safe to go off into deep water if you can't swim. Let's take a look at the other toys in your bucket.
A starfish.
How many arms does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The starfish has gone for a swim. And the ray. And the blowfish. It looks like a ball. Peck Peck wants to get the crab. Little owl, what are you looking for? Ah, it's an inflatable ring. Our little woodpecker can use it to go swimming in the lake.
Wings up, please. Now you can swim.
Hop Hop's also put on a ring. Little birds, let's pick up our toys. That's one fish in the net.
The blowfish.
The ray.
The starfish.
Well done! What a wonderful trip to the lake this has been.
Let's sort our toys out.
The starfish, the swordfish, the blowfish. Somebody's missing. Do you know who? That's right, the crab. There's a butterfly on his head. Into the bucket you go, crab. We've let the air out of the swim rings. And we've put away the net. Did you pick up the ray? Ah, there it is, in the bucket. We can go. Till next time, little birds.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo!
Hop Hop's house. Hop Hop and Peck Peck arrived on a motorcycle.
Hi!
I wonder where the birds are going. These are garages.
Look!
Ah, balls! And a builder helmet. It's perfect for you, Hop Hop. Peck Peck, open the green garage. Green balls. And another helmet. There are so many building blocks. Oh, Hop Hop hid. Shh! Peck Peck will search for him. Hop Hop! Where are you?
Woohoo!
Find the owl, Peck Peck. Behind the yellow block. No. Behind the pyramid. Also no. Where is he? Did you hear that? Hooray! You found him! Now we can build. This is a bulldozer. A bulldozer has a big blade in front. It can move blocks. Forward, Peck Peck! Let's move the red block. Who placed the green block? Hop Hop! The owl is driving an excavator. This is a green pyramid. It's a tower! Snail, do you like to ride? Hop Hop skillfully drives the excavator. Wow! The birds built a castle! Only a roof is missing. Here it is, a yellow roof. We park cars and go play. The birds have so much fun. Maybe you'd also like to build a castle from blocks.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
Hop the owl. It's a cardboard box. And inside, there's a surprise. The ant is very curious about what could be inside. Hop Hop is already running to see. And Peck Peck, too. The ant is going to watch from behind a rock. Oh, 3 ants. Hello, little birds.
Hello!
What a heavy box! I wonder what's inside. Turn it upside down. It's wooden toys! Vegetable patches. Vegetables. A watering can. A wheelbarrow. And a spade. Let's plant some cauliflowers.
Plant the cauliflowers!
They're all planted. Oh, the ant is back again. He's stealing a beetroot. Oh, that's not very nice.
Carrots!
They need to plant the carrots too. There. Oh, wait a moment, Peck Peck.
That's a beetroot.
Don't be sad. Plant that in another patch.
Plant it.
Good job. Time to plant the other vegetables. Carrots. And beetroots. Look, we need one more beetroot. You need to look for it. Where could it be? There it is. The ant probably wanted to eat it and took it to the anthill. But it's a toy. You can't eat it.
Let's go.
Plant the beetroot in the toy vegetable patch.
Vegetables!
Peck Peck has found a watering can. He's watering the toy vegetable patch. The vegetables have grown. Time to pick them. Hop Hop has arrived on a tractor. Peck Peck has got a spade and is digging up the vegetables. Oh no! The ant is here again. Stop the tractor, Hop Hop!
You can't eat wooden toys.
But the ant would definitely like a lollipop. Too heavy? Peck Peck will help. There. Enjoy your lollipop, Ant. The little birds are going to clear away the toys. They need to take them all back home so they don't lose any. Goodbye, little birds. The ants are helping each other carry the lollipop.
Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl.
Hello, Hop Hop.
Hello!
What's that?
Bubble mixture.
Wow! The little owl is going to blow some bubbles. It's working! The bubbles are floating upwards. The bubbles are floating very high indeed. Higher than the butterflies. Hello there, Peck Peck. Look at all the bubbles. Do you like bursting them?
Peck Peck, catch this!
Hop Hop is blowing more bubbles, and Peck Peck is going to burst them. Huh. The mosquito has seen the bubbles too. Oh no! It burst one bubble! And another! Peck Peck the woodpecker doesn't want to play with the mosquito at all.
Catch another one!
Have you got a plan, Peck Peck? A net! The woodpecker is going to catch the mosquito. It's not easy, but it's fun. The mosquito is very clever. Peck Peck, can you catch it? And missed. Peck Peck, be careful. Oh, the pot of bubble mixture has fallen over. It's empty. Don't worry, Peck Peck. Hop Hop has got a plan.
Off we go!
The woodpecker and the owl are going to Hop Hop's house. And the mosquito is flying after them.
Water! Soap! Bubbles!
It looks like the owl has a plan. He'll make some new bubble mixture.
Water? Soap?
Hop Hop is mixing soap with water to make...
Bubbles! And a straw!
The owl is blowing bubbles. Oh, look how big they are.
Whoa! Whoa!
Now it's Peck Peck's turn.
Yeah.
Take the straw. What a huge bubble! The mosquito's back again. The little woodpecker is trying really hard to catch it. Look at that, little birds!
Bubbles!
Lots of bubbles! Peck Peck discovered he can blow bubbles with the net. Now there are so many of them that even the mosquito can't burst them all. Oh, looks like the mosquito is tired. Shall we play some more? Hop Hop blew one big bubble, and Peck Peck blew lots of little ones.